During the course of the day, another member of parliament, Srimati Locket Chatterjee, was also subject to police brutality, unmindful of the fact that she happens to be a very senior woman member of parliament. All of these things indicate that there is a complete collapse of law and order in West Bengal, that police stations, which have to work under the constitution as per rule of law, function as branch offices of the TMC party, and that police officials are puppets in the hands of the Mamata government. It is the duty of every single member of parliament, our solemn constitutional obligation, to raise voice against atrocities that is inflicted upon the common man, and by attempting to assault us, by attempting to throwing crude bombs at us, attempting to murder activists and members of the parliament, a gross violation of the privileges of the members of parliament has been committed. At around 1:30 in the night, the very same evening, after the protest, we had come out and we had very categorically stated that we will file a breach of privilege motion against the Mamata Banerjee government and the police officials of Kolkata Police before the Privileges Committee after meeting with the Honorable Speaker. Today, Shri Jyotirmay Mahato ji and I, on behalf of other members of parliament from West Bengal, have filed the breach of privilege motion and have submitted a representation to the Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha. He has promised us that he will consider our plea and will forward our representation to the Privileges Committee for further appropriate action. I would just want to conclude by saying that Mamata Banerjee is clearly aware that the ground beneath her feet is slipping and slipping very fast. The coming government in West Bengal will be a BJP government. The writing on the wall is very clear. Our former party president and Home Minister of this country, Shri Amit Shah ji, in his 2-day visit to West Bengal, has made it explicitly clear that the BJP will form the next government in West Bengal with more than 200 seats. Because Mamata Banerjee cannot digest this hard political reality, she is resorting to violence and political murders as a tool to silence the BJP. In the last 1.5 years, more than 120 workers of the BJP have been brutally killed and politically murdered.